Model organisms are very important for understanding biology. We want to find out about human biology and why humans get sick when they are old. So that's why biologists use model organisms, simple animals that have some of the very same genes that we have as humans, very same processes. C. elegans is really the workhorse of the aging field. It has neurons, it has an intestine, and they function also very similarly. But in contrast to us humans, the worm has a life cycle of only a few days, and it lives in the lab around 3 weeks. So we can actually look at genetic changes or interventions that make a worm live longer. A huge advantage that this C. elegans is transparent. So we can really look inside, look at the different cell types, the different tissues, how they age, and how they could stay healthier.
The naked mole rat is very famous for the fact that it lives for a very long time. Its lifespan is over 30 years, and this is very remarkable because an animal that is the size of a mouse should live something like 3 years. So we know that they, for example, have a better capacity to repair their DNA. This potentially then allows them not to get cancer, so they're extremely protected from cancer. We have now found that naked moles can also regenerate the heart, for example, which is something that an adult mammalian animal cannot do. My hope is that we can find certain molecules or mechanisms that allow this to happen and translate this into a drug. And this will, of course, then treat the #1 killer in the world, which is heart failure.
Mice and humans share a lot of genetic identity. More than 90% of the genes are shared. Mice and mammals have the same way of growing up, the same biological complexity. They show very similar diseases like muscle weakness, diabetes, neuronal malfunctions, aging processes generally. Animal welfare is our central task. Each animal is monitored daily at least once. We provide proper caging, enrichment, climate. We have a highly sophisticated technical system running in the background.
To understand life, to understand aging. As a researcher, we can really make this difference. We can go to nature, ask nature, how can we understand life? I couldn't think of anything better to do than working as a scientist.